Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel. I am a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I buy liquidation boxes and I thrift and I resell online for a profit. One of my favorite things to do on this channel is to open mystery boxes here live on the channel and come back 90 days later to let you know my results in case maybe you were looking at this brand or this product or this company to order from in hopes that it helps you make some good decisions about your own reseller business. So if you want to see my 90-day results on my Von Dutch sweatshirts box that I ordered from Boutique by the Box, make sure you stick around. This box came to me at the end of March. This was right before I had my daughter, and I was really trying to beef up my inventory because I knew that I probably was going to have a month or so at least that I wasn't listing. And so Boutique by the Box had this box. They had it on their site for a while at $16 a piece, and they ran a 50% off sale, dropping the price to $8 a piece. So for $80 free shipping, I got 10 Von Dutch like baby hoodies. So they're like really form-fitting, kind of junior sizing. So actually all 10 of them are sold, and I want to share with you how much they sold for. I'll post a screenshot over here just showing you how much each one sold for. And then at the end of it all, I'll kind of do a debrief to, tell you how much money I made and if I would buy another one of these based on the results. About 3 weeks into this, I got a message on Mercari, and I don't remember if bundle offers were a thing on Mercari yet back in April, but somebody asked me if I would be willing to give them a discount if they purchased multiple of these Von Dutch hoodies, which I agreed to. And the offer they made me was $85 for 5 of them, bringing my sale price to $17 a piece. So I wasn't like, I had just listed them. It had only been about 3 weeks, and I didn't love the offer of $17 per piece, seeing as how that was half of the items in here. And so I thought maybe I was cutting myself short a little bit, not giving them the chance to sell off, but I did go ahead and take it. So there were 5 of them that sold. They say $25 here, but I have in my my notes $85 for the 5. So that was how much I listed them for originally. But I am glad that I did that. And my rule typically is like, an offer that's slightly less than what you kind of wanted is better than no offer at all. So I figured, I don't know how long these are going to sit for or if they're going to sell. So I went ahead and accepted the $17 per piece, which you'll see I didn't get a ton more for the rest of them. So, I don't have regrets for doing that. So that was kind of interesting. And that's never really happened to me before, that I sold like a bundle of all of the same thing. And actually they were all a size small, except for one was randomly a size large. So whatever, I'm not, whatever that person was going to use them for. But hey, that was great for me. So within 3 weeks, they were already halfway sold. There was one, actually the last one that sold, I know I'm bouncing around here a little bit. The very last one to sell just sold a couple days ago, and it was the last one I had left. Somebody offered me $15 on Poshmark, and I just went ahead and took it so that I could go ahead and close out the box. We were technically 7 days over the 90-day point anyway, so I went ahead and just took the $15, even though there wasn't a ton of profit for me. Then from there, I had the green one with the brown writing. This one sold on Poshmark in about 10 weeks for $20. I had the blue one with the orange writing. This one also sold for $20 on Poshmark in about 9 weeks. Here's another Mercari sale. This one was green with brown writing. It was the only other one that was a size large. Most of them were a size small. This one was a $20 Mercari sale. And then the highest selling one in the entire box was this orange one with green writing. This one sold actually the day after I listed it. So this one went really quick. I must have just got lucky. This one was a $27 by offer sale, which means I listed it for $30 and I sent a 10% off with the discounted shipping. Boy, that went fast with only 10 items, 5 of them being on one order. But you can see what I'm saying. Like, I got $17 a piece to send all 5 to one person, and they really kind of sold off for an average of $17 a piece. In fact, the average sale price was $18.70 if I really do an average on that. So I don't necessarily think I made a bad decision by doing that. 5 out of 10 were out of the way, and I did not have to, sit on them. So that was kind of nice. So all of them are sold, and I paid, just to recap, I paid $80, and my profit is $72.59. So just missed that double mark. They're all sold, so I'm not going to make any more money on this. Was this a good box? For $8 a piece, absolutely. I think Boutique by the Box originally listed this at $16 a piece, which would have been way too high. But at the $8 price point, if we consider the fact that this took me about, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes to photograph all of these hoodies. Some of them were duplicates, or maybe they were the same color, just a different size, and I did not re-photograph each one. I just used the same photo. To write out the description took like 2 seconds because they all were the same. I just had to change the color and the size. So as far as like ease of listing, this took so minimal effort on my part, and I just about doubled my money. So was this a good box? Yeah, absolutely. I am glad that I picked this one up. I know $80 profit is not like super huge, but considering like this required the minimal, literally bare minimum amount of effort I could possibly put into a mystery box, I would say this is a total win. So I have no regrets. I'm glad I picked this up. I didn't know Von Dutch was still a thing. I feel like that's very Y2K. So I even learned a little bit, in that regard. So that's exciting. I would pick up another one. I think if I could get the hoodies specifically, I didn't try the shirts or anything. If I could get the hoodies at $8 a piece, yeah, I absolutely would buy more of these. Now, if you want to buy a box from Boutique by the Box, I think they have Von Dutch available, but they have lots of stuff available. And I know that they are revamping their website and getting a whole lot of new stuff in. There are links down below. If you're brand new, if you've never ordered for them before, you can use code OHYEAH. It'll give you 10% off your order. If you are a returning customer, you can use the code OHYEAH5 and you'll get 5% off of your order. And that one you can use again and again. It's not a one-time thing. So definitely check out Boutique by the Box. I source a lot from them. And, if you enjoy my unboxing videos, I do encourage you to subscribe. You'll see definitely more Boutique by the Box unboxings here. And definitely check out my other videos if you want to see some of the other unboxings that I did for this company. So that is it for today. I hope that you found this helpful. Drop me a comment below and let me know if you are surprised by my results or if you ordered one yourself and what your results were. I would definitely love to know. Drop me a like on the way out if you have not already. Like I said, that really helps out my channel and I certainly appreciate it a lot. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.